Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today I am hanging out inside because I have a box full of babies that I need to figure out what their genders are. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Here's my box of babies. Now these are Eden. Whoop. Sorry guys. Whoop. No, stay in there. These are Eden and BamBams babies. Look at how big they are. Oh, hi guys. And so we're just going to be figuring out the gender. Because these guys are a little bit too young to tattoo yet, I'm going to be marking their genders with some Sharpies. Red for girl, green for boy. And I'm just going to do a line on the inside of their ear. That way, at a quick glance, I can tell who's who. So, they're like all wanted to get out. Oh, I love it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, I guess. Alrighty, guys. So, I've got my markers. Let me grab a baby. Look at how cute you guys are. So, you guys got poop in your fur. Crusty eyelashes. Alrighty. So what you want to do to sex your bunnies is first get a good grip on them. It's a little better here. And then you're going to flip them over. Make sure their butt is supported nice. And then you're going to very gently, I don't know if you guys can see this, get a little bit closer. So you're going to very gently look at the genitalia. So you're going to gently pull back. And this, I don't know if you guys can tell, is a little girl. Hi, sweetie, you're okay. And we're gonna just mark her ear. Now the tattoo always goes in the left ear. So I'm gonna mark the right with just a little, woo, hold still baby, with a little line like so. So the little girls are gonna look like a long slit. From top to bottom, whereas little boys are gonna look like donuts or burritos. So grab another one. Hi, baby. So here's another one. And we're just gonna very gently. Oh, this one's another girl. I don't know if you guys can see how it's splitting. It's hard to show. Yeah, let me see if I can get a better angle for you guys. All right, so let me see if this camera does better. So we gently pull back. And as you can see, she's slit from top all the way to the bottom. So this is a little girl or a little doe. Got another one here. Ooh, you're covered in chips and poop. Ooh, goodness. Alrighty, so this one is a little boy. So can you tell the difference? Little boys have, he's fighting me a little bit. Little boys have like an oval or a circular opening instead of a slit. See how it's open and circular versus slit from top to bottom? So this is a little boy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Alrighty, so that went pretty quick and painlessly. It turns out we have 6 young bucks and 3 young does. So my plan is to keep one of the does for my own breeding program to improve my lines and increase the amount of does that I have.
Hello. Bunny.
And I hope that this video helped you guys out as well, trying to, when you guys sex your babies. So if you guys have any questions on how to sex your bunnies, or the difference between the male and the female genitalia, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions for you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, be sure to like this video on your way out and hit the subscribe button so you know when new videos are up. Thank you guys again for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.